Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about something that I love. I love walking. Walking to the store, to the park, just walking and looking at random things in the street. People watching. I like watching the behavior of different people in the streets. Just today, I saw so many interesting people in Mexico City. I saw an old woman with gray hair walking her dog. Her tiny, fluffy dog was barking at a big dog. This old lady looked so cool. She was covered in tattoos, wearing the coolest blazer and baggy pants, and some glasses like these. She had her hair dyed purple, just the ends, and the rest was gray. And I thought immediately, I want to look that cool when I'm older. I saw a guy with the longest hair in braids and the tightest outfit I have ever seen. So many interesting people to see in the city. That's why I love staying in the city, even if it's just for a little bit. Because when I stay here for too long, it gets tiring. The air is so dirty. It makes me congested, and it makes my throat hurt. But it's the best place for walking. Do you like to walk? If so, where do you like to walk? And what's something that you saw today that was interesting? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for English beginner listeners. Today, I want to talk about my glasses. These are my glasses. I bought them on Amazon. Do you know what Amazon is? Amazon is an online store where you can find different products. Do you like to shop online? What's your favorite online store? Why? My favorite online store is Amazon, because you can find anything: glasses, computers, notebooks, or even headphones. Check out my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to tell you about when I crashed my car. I am very scared to drive because I never drive. I always take the bus or my dad drives me. I have never needed to learn how to drive. So the other day, my family and my boyfriend, we were all out drinking and eating pizza. But when it was time to go home, nobody could drive, just me. I hadn't drank anything that night. So everybody said, "Tiana, you drive." I was so scared, but I said, "Okay, I'll drive." The whole way, I was stopping suddenly, going very fast. It wasn't a good ride, but right before we got home, my dad told me, "Turn right." So I turned right. But then he said, No, turn left." So then I was like, I don't know where to turn. So I was turning right. There was a motorcycle coming. And so I turned quickly to the left. But the curb was so close. I hit it. And I drove on top of the curb. The tire, the wheel, popped. And I was just angry, yelling, "Where do I go? What do I do?" It was a very dumb accident, but I did tell them that I didn't want to drive. So, is it my fault or is it their fault? What do you think? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I got a haircut. It was the first time I got a haircut where she washed my hair, she trimmed my split ends, and then she used her blow dryer to fix it all up. My hair is super thin, not thick. So I need volume. And after this haircut, I got to thinking. I felt a little weird, a little too sophisticated with my new hair. I normally never fix my hair. I don't even brush my hair most mornings. So you can't blame me for feeling a little weird when my hair looks so nice and well done. but I like it. I feel pretty. What about you? Do you like to get all fixed up and pretty for the day? And if not, why? I think sometimes I am just lazy. I'm too lazy to fix my hair and put makeup on, so I just don't do it. What's your excuse? Check out my Slow English podcast merch. Link in my bio.